King Cobra. It can stand tall and look you in the eye. Anaconda, one of the heaviest snakes in the world. Rattlesnake. Its tail rattles like a baby's toy. Python. It hugs tight to catch its dinner. Corn snake. It's harmless and loves to hide in barns. Boa constrictor. It squeezes, not bites. No poison at all. Garter snake. It slithers fast and loves sunny spots. Green tree python. It naps in trees curled like a rope. Milk snake. It copies other snakes to stay safe. Ball python. It rolls into a ball when it's scared. Black mamba. It's super fast, almost like flying. Indian rat snake. It helps farmers by eating mice. Eastern indigo snake. It shines with blue like the night sky. Rainbow boa. Its skin sparkles with rainbow colors. Rosy boa. It's gentle and loves to burrow in sand. Thanks for watching. For more interesting, subscribe Kids Chain Diary.